Hey everybody, this is Would You Rather with Jazz. I got my crew around me. They're going to throw some questions at me. I got Andre, Dre Jackson, Janae, Juju, Sweetness. Go ahead, guys.
Would you rather have a permanent splinter under your big toe or a permanent bad haircut for the rest of your life?
Oh, I would go permanent bad haircut because the splinter would just hurt and walking would be tough. Look, I hardly have any hair anyway, so I'm okay with the bad haircut.
Would you rather get away with lying every time or always know that someone's lying?
Always know when someone's lying. I don't lie, so I want to know when other people are lying.
Are you lying right now?
No.
You're not lying.
No. I would rather know when other people are lying.
Okay, would you rather be able to remember every conversation you've ever had or remember everything you've ever read?
I would rather remember every conversation because I know how important that is to the person that I was conversing with. And so for me it is, I would rather remember every conversation. It's fun, I like this.
Unlimited energy or unlimited money?
Unlimited energy because then I know I can create a lot more money. So that one's easy for me.
Would you rather have a dog with a cat's personality or a cat with a dog's personality?
I've never had any pets, but if I had to choose between a dog and a cat in general, I would always choose a dog. You get to play, they're more playful than cats, and if I'm gonna have a pet, I want someone that is more playful.
Would you rather be the most intelligent person in the room or would you rather be the funniest person?
Oh, funniest person in the room. It's probably one thing that I'm definitely not. I got a lot of funny people around me. I got a lot more intelligent people around me. But being the most intelligent person in the room generally tells you that you're in the wrong room. Funny because I can actually, you make people laugh. You can change up their state a lot more, right? And so definitely the most fun, the funniest person in the room.
Would you rather be framed for a murder you didn't commit or frame your best friend for a murder that you committed?
Damn. Yeah, look, I'm not a snitch or a rat, and so I would say I would have to take the rap for a murder that I didn't commit rather than frame someone else. I'm not about that life. I'm not about that life.
Okay, would you rather be able to see your future or be able to see everyone else's future and not your own?
I'll see everyone else's future. I kind of already, I know what I want from my future. What I'm really hoping is others see what they're capable of. But I know that's tough for everyone. And so if I could actually show them it, I have a feeling they'll work towards it and they'll know that it's true. So I wish I could see everyone else's future for them, let them know, like, Andre, man, I know exactly what it's gonna look like. This is all you have to do now.
Would you rather be best friends with Drake or best friends with Jay-Z?
Oh, I would choose Drake because he's Toronto. I like, not that Jay-Z's awesome and what he's built and all that, but I didn't grow up listening to Jay-Z's music. I was more of a West Coast guy, so it was like more Pac and Snoop and Dre. With Drake, it was just nice to see like how long it took him to get to where he is, right? Like for a lot of people, I think they just seen him pop, but like the man, did he work at Shoppers Drug Mart or not? Or was that just part of the video? Who knows? But he definitely was, just acting and going through what he had to go through, like the process that he went through. And obviously being a local Toronto guy, that just speaks really close to me. We good? That's all.
Yeah, I think that's
all
good.
right, guys.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, you do your thing with it. Good questions. That's fun. I like that.